and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Kankonkars call for Bandh on Monday. Agitated crowd demands immediate arrest of murderer in Rajbagh's rape and murder case. Deceased victim awaits last rites. Anna Hazare supporter Kiran Bedi canvassing for Narendra Modi asks people not to waste vote on inexperienced parties. Taunts up, says only Modi has vision and leadership. Coast Guard rescues 14 fishermen on board sinking fishing trawler from Tamil Nadu. Trawler develops crack. Timely information from Goan trawlers leads to rescue. Government refused permission to Russian festival fearing law and order situation. Can consider permission again, says Tourism Minister Parulekar. Russia issues travel advisory against Goa. And High Court directs state to decide parole application by prisoners within 8 weeks. Asks government to produce state's policy on police escort to parole granted prisoners. And now the news in detail. Kankon will be closed on Monday. Kankonkars have given a call to keep the markets, shops and establishments closed following no arrest of murderer in Rajbagh rape and murder case. Kankonkars had warned closure of National Highway but have decided to limit the burn to market and shops. Agitated crowd gathered at Kankon police station on Sunday demanding immediate arrest of the culprit. On Friday, Vijaya Pagi's body was found in the jungle of Masti Mall. Deceased victim still awaits last rites. Furious Kankonkars on Sunday too marched to police station demanding arrest of the culprit in Vijaya Pagi's alleged rape and murder case. Agitated crowd has appealed to keep Kankon Bandh on Monday. Kankonkars on Saturday had set a deadline to police to arrest the culprit within 24 hours, failing which they would block the National Highway. But Kankonkars have now decided to keep market, shops and establishments closed on Monday.
हांव काणकोणकारांक सगळे अपील करता हो इन्सिडेंट जो घडला तो दिल्ली सारख्या बाकीच्या एरियान घडटा त्या इन्सिडंट्साचो मोठ तसो वयचो न्हू काणकोणात जर कितें घडलें जाल्यार काणकोणात तो इमिडिएटली तांकां अरेस्ट करून काणकोणकारांक न्याय दिवंक शकता आनी अशें फुडें घडचें न्हू आनी आयज जर हे जर तांकां न्याय दिवंक शकले ना जाल्यार फुडें काणकोणाक अशें खूब वायटशें घडत वयतलें तें घडचें न्हू म्हणून सगळे काणकोणकारांक आमी अपील करता की फाल्यां सगळे काणकोणकारांनी आपले सहकुशीन ह्या रस्त्यार देवपाचे लोकांनी हेल्प करचो सगळे लोकांनी येवचे
काणकोणकारांनी सगळ्यांनीच काल आमी अशें ठरयिल्लें आसा की जो पर्यंत विजया शशिकांत पागी ह्याचो खुनाचो धागेदोरी कळोन तो खुनी जो पर्यंत सापडना तो पर्यंत तेजी डेथ बॉडी आसा ती आमी घेवची ना आनी तेजे बरोबर फाल्यां आमी सगळें काणकोण बंद करतले आणि सगळं काणकोणकारां आमी उलो मारला आनी काणकोणकार सगळे हजर आसतले आनी रस्तो चालू आसतलो.
On Friday, a fisherwoman, Vijaya Page from Tari Rajbagh, was murdered. Her body was found nude in the jungle of Masti Mall. But even after 3 days, police have failed to nab the murderer. Police informed that investigation is on. Reporter Babesh Borkar for Prudent. Leader of Anna Hazare's Lokpal Andolan and the former police commissioner of Delhi, Kiran Bedi, is now canvassing for BJP's prime ministerial candidate Narendra Modi. Taunting the AAP, she openly endorsed for Narendra Modi and said people should not waste vote on inexperienced parties. She said vote for Modi as he has the leadership qualities and a vision to rescue India's economy. She was speaking to Goan media in Kalangut after a seminar on coastal security.
मैडम, आपको क्या लग रहा है कि अगर नरेंद्र मोदी प्रधानमंत्री बने क्या वो लोगों के एक्सपेक्टेशन को पूरा कर पाएंगे?
देखो, इस वक्त एक क्लियरली लीडर अवेलेबल है मेरी नज़र में. मैं एक इंडिपेंडेंट व्यक्ति, अगर आपने हंग पार्लियामेंट लेनी है तो अपने वोट को वेस्ट कर दो इधर उधर, ये समझ लेना. अगर हंग पार्लियामेंट हो गई तो ये इकोनॉमी और भी बुरा हाल हो जाएगा. इस वक्त हमको स्ट्रॉन्ग पार्लियामेंट चाहिए, डिसाइसिव लीडरशिप चाहिए जिसको प्रशासन करना आता है. ये एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन के लिए पार्लियामेंट इस वक्त प्रधानमंत्री की जगह एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन के लिए नहीं है, स्टार्टअप के लिए नहीं है. लर्नर लाइसेंस के लिए नहीं है। ये वो व्यक्ति जिसको सब तरीके का, जिसको उसको अपना स्टेट चलाने का तजुर्बा है, एक बारी नहीं 3 बारी, जिसको नेशनल लीडरशिप आज वो चाहिए who has had the experience of running the state and that too for 3 terms, which means the country cannot at the moment risk hung parliament. It needs a stable government. It needs a strong parliament so that your policies can be corrected. इस वक्त उधार लेके रोज जी रहे हैं हम। आपको पता है हजारों करोड़ों का उधार लेके रोज, मैंने टेलीविजन चैनल्स पे सुना है। I am speaking as an independent voice and that's a neutral voice. It's a voice of an Indian which belongs to no political party but is looking for good leadership, and I do see in Mr. Narendra Modi clear leadership, experienced leadership, administrative capability, and has a vision. Others have television and some have illusion, but Narendra Modi has a vision. Others may have television and some have illusion. So do not waste your vote. Don't please give this country a hung parliament. We need a stable government.
एक क्वालिटी अरविंद केजरीवाल में नहीं है
मैम। आने वाले लोग
और कुछ
Kudos to Coast Guard. Coast Guard rescued all 14 fishermen on board a sinking fishing trawler from Tamil Nadu. It was fishing outside the Goan waters. Crew members claimed that the trawler developed a crack and water started flushing in. As soon as the Coast Guard received information from Goan fishing trawler, they started rescue operation. Fisheries Department had also deployed its vessel on rescue mission. Coast Guard towed the damaged trawler and the crew to Kariwara jetty by evening.
We received a message from MPT that a fishing boat named Sahitya is in distress with 14 people on board. So we immediately launched our ship, Coast Guard ship C-148, and within minutes it took off from here. By the time our ROS alerted merchant ships in area, there was a merchant ship called Kanmalo. It actually went nearer the fishing boat. By the time it went and started giving assistance, our Coast Guard ship was on the spot. All 14 crew were taken on board. The boat was actually sinking, it was half sunk. But the engineers from Coast Guard ship C-148 put in their engineer and pumps, and it started taking out water. The boat's name was, by registered, if you see it is Lord of Snow. And actually the boat's name is Sahitya. It doesn't have any safety equipment on board, not even life jackets on board. The boat is actually to be seen as not in a fit state of condition where the owner should send him to sea for fishing.
Panji police raided a salon on Sunday evening. 5 girls have been rescued. Police have arrested 2 customers, 1 employee and a bouncer. Police acted on a tip-off by sources. However, the salon owner was untraceable till late evening.
सर क्या हुआ एग्जैक्टली, क्यों रेट पड़ी है, क्या कुछ बता सकते हैं?
एक इमोरल ट्रैफिकिंग की केस हमने किया है अभी।
हाँ।
और अराउंड 5 लड़कियों को रेस्क्यू किया है।
ओके। और कुछ
4 एक्यूज को अभी तक पकड़ा है। 4 एक्यूज? हाँ, 4 एक्यूज।
And the girls are from where, sir?
Girls are from different parts of the country. Some are from Mizoram, some are from Calcutta.
So northeast.
Yeah, northeast and Andhra Pradesh, Calcutta वाले सभी, है ना? ठीक।
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.